coming back today at the reunion, it just means a lot to get that sense of community.
And this is the very first event I've attended. But from everything I've seen and experienced today, it's wonderful.
It's a great opportunity for networking, to be honest, and actually seeing what everyone is up to. Even though if we studied similar things, we've all gone into completely different routes.
Today was mainly about the networking session, and obviously as part of the networking session there are so many different workshops being run by different lecturers and professors.
This has been an exciting day for all of us. It was the first time that we gather our alumni community here in our facilities in Canary Wharf. The vibe is incredible. There's a lot of interesting conversations, and we're looking forward to doing it again next year.